UPI Circle is a new feature introduced by the National Payments Corporation of India and PCI, that allows you to share your UPI with trusted individuals, such as family members or friends. This feature can be especially helpful for those who may not have their own bank accounts, or who are not comfortable with digital payments. How does UPI Circle work? 1. Primary user. The primary user is the account holder who authorizes the secondary user to make payments using their UPI ID. 2. Secondary user. The secondary user is the person who is granted permission to make payments using the primary user's UPI ID. 3. Delegation. The primary user can choose to grant full or partial delegation to the secondary user. 4. Full delegation. The secondary user can make payments up to a specified limit without requiring the primary user's approval for each transaction. 5. Partial delegation. The secondary user can initiate payment requests, but the primary user will need to approve and complete the transaction using their UPI PIN. Benefits of UPI Circle. 1. Increased accessibility. Makes digital payments more accessible to people who may not have their own bank accounts. 2. Convenience. Allows for easier money transfers between family and friends. 3. Security. Provides a secure way to share your UPI ID with trusted individuals. Note, while UPI Circle offers convenience and security, it's important to exercise caution when sharing your UPI ID with others. Only share it with people you trust and be aware of the transaction limits and delegation options. Setting up and using UPI Circle. 1. Open your UPI app. Launch the UPI app you're using, for example, Google Pay, PhonePe, Payt. 2. Locate UPI Circle. Look for the UPI Circle feature within the app settings or main menu. Create a circle. 1. Name your circle. Give your circle a unique name, for example, family. 2. Invite members. Add the UPI IDs of the people you want to include in the circle, using UPI Circle. 1. Select the circle. Choose the circle you want to use for the transaction. 2. Enter details. Input the amount you want to send, the recipient's UPI ID, and any additional notes. 3. Confirm payment. Review the transaction details, and confirm the payment using your UPI PIN. Note, the specific steps may vary slightly depending on the UPI app you're using. Important considerations. 1. Delegation. Decide whether to grant full or partial delegation to the secondary user. 2. Limits. Set transaction limits to control the amount that can be transferred without your approval. 3. Security. Ensure that the people you add to your circle are trustworthy. 4. Privacy. Be mindful of who has access to your UPI Circle. By following these steps, you can easily set up and use UPI Circle to share your UPI with trusted individuals and convenience.